low carb, high protein enchiladas. Let me show you how I made it. Okay guys, so I'm making this recipe my own. I got this idea from my friend Crystal and her husband, and I just kind of tweaked it and made it my own. So I'm doing Anaheim peppers, poblanos, tomatillos, onion, and garlic, and we are gonna get them prepared to go into the oven. And after we get them in the oven, we are going to bake them at 425 degrees for about 25 minutes. I've never done a voiceover, so let me know if you guys like this editing. Okay, say Alexa, set timer for 25 minutes. You may hear my bulldog snoring. Okay, we're gonna chop up our onion and our cilantro, and we're gonna use both of these in our mixture to stuff our enchiladas and also to top them. So I'm just gonna chop these up, and then we're gonna get our pot out and we are going to boil our chicken thighs. So these are boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I just did 1 pack. I get them from Costco. I did them in about a cup and a half of water, and I added about a heaping tablespoon of chicken bouillon, and then salt, pepper, garlic, the blend, adobo, garlic powder, onion powder, and just kind of sprinkled it on top. And then we're gonna let this boil, and I do switch sides until it's about 165 degrees. There was our veggies roasting. Now we're gonna start making our green sauce. So just in case you're wondering, we're adding salt, pepper, cumin, olive oil, our chicken bouillon, lime juice. And now we're adding all of our roasted veggies, and we're gonna blend them really, really good. And shout out to my friends Chris and Crystal. They taught me how to make this green sauce, and it is absolutely delicious. Okay, now we're gonna make our enchilada filling. I'm using Good Culture cottage cheese. That's gonna give us a little bit more protein. And we're also gonna add our cilantro, our onion, a little dabble of sour cream. And then I'm gonna blend up my chicken thighs that I've cooked thoroughly to 165 degrees, add a little bit of the green chili, blend them up. And then we're gonna stir this mixture really well together and add our Tillamook cheese and a little bit more of the green sauce. We're gonna spray our pan, and then we're gonna use these low carb tortillas, and we're going to fill them and put them in our pan nicely. So we are going to just fill each of these up and stack them. And after we stack our enchiladas all in our pan, we are going to top it with our green sauce, really, really nice, get it nice and saturated. And then we're gonna put some of the Tillamook cheese on top as well. And then we're gonna bake this for about 20 minutes at 360 degrees and then broil for 5 minutes at the end. These were absolutely amazing.